everything changes.
Women should not be business owners or in business. That's the comment I got today. Now, that's not exactly what the comment read word for word, but that's exactly what it meant. Let's go check it out. So I'm going to screenshot it on the screen for you guys, and I'm going to show you exactly why being a YouTuber, first of all, is an insane thing to do. Feel free, knock yourself out. But also, what we have to deal with every day and what some of the world thinks that runs through their heads that just is insanity, or that they're just trolls and have nothing better to do but be miserable trolls. So here's a comment I got on my latest video where I'm just talking about eBay sales and building our store back up to 10,000. It says, "What's this wee shit? Man up, dude. Biz is a masculine game." That's the comment I got today. That was approximately 2 p.m. this afternoon. And I'm gonna put it up here on the screen because I got a lot to say about this. So I responded to the comment, and I don't try not to respond to obvious trolls. I don't think that this is somebody who truly believes that. And maybe they do, because there's a lot of people in today's world that do believe that about women in business. But we're gonna talk about that in just a second. I said, excuse me, women are just as capable of running businesses as men are. True statement. In fact, many of my good friends are female business owners. Absolutely 100% fact. In fact, I'm in business with one of them. Star, our great friend Star, is a business owner. She works for herself. Now she has a partner, Keith, who is the brains and the brawn of the business. I'm just kidding, Star, I love you. Star and Keith run that business together. But Star is a female business owner. Our wonderful friend Megan Mawhinney from Dallas, Texas. She is a female business reseller. Vicky and Katie Silverberg and Vicky from Las Vegas, female business owners. Mel Bradley, right? Deb and Mel from California, female business owners. Colleen Gallagher, Colleen's Closet, female business owner. I can go on and on and on. Our old friend Lindy and Megan Reed and everybody, they're business owners. They're all females. Not that they need my adoration or all this stuff. Who is to say whether a guy or girl can run a business, right? So that's just what I responded with. That a lot of my good friends, a lot of my best people are female business owners. And then I said that, when I say we, generally when I'm making these videos and I say we, it's either we because I'm talking about business I've done with Keith and Star, or we because of Caitlin, my fiance, who, wait for it. Oh wait, she's a business owner too. You guys may not know this, but she owns a photography business. A very good one too. She's awesome at photography. I'll link her page below if you want to check her out. She's local to Florida. Sorry, guys. She does travel for weddings, though. And so I said that. Like, we means me and my fiance, who also happens to help me run my business and own her own. And so then I told them to take their garbage comments and post it elsewhere because they're not going to do it here. And before I had a chance to block him, I think I was out and about. I think I was out in town, so I was just like, comments. It's a little harder to block people on YouTube on mobile than it is desktop. This person responded back. I don't know if it's a guy or girl. I'm going to assume it's a guy. Check her phone for other dudes. You're deep in the blue pill. So while this person didn't say women shouldn't run businesses, that's exactly what this person is saying. And Mary from Mary's Market, thank you for supporting me, Mary, said, can't think of anything positive, uplifting, dragging the world down, like that. And so then I just said, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and block you before you look even, dumber than you already do. So let's talk about this. So this topic is something that I don't even think, it goes without saying. Like, women are so capable of running a business and doing just as a good job as men. This has been a topic in world news, and I don't like to get into politics or social news on this, but this is business, right? And this is money making, and this is important to everyone, especially considering a lot of this community is female, right? So there's been a lot of subject matter and talk in the news and mainstream media and social media. Some of it came from the U.S. Women's National Soccer Team. Is it Megan Rapinoe? Is that her name? I think. I don't watch soccer. Sorry if I got that wrong. But talking about equal pay. And so as a business owner, as a reseller, your pay is directly derivative of your performance, of your skill, of your negotiating, of your work ethic, of your hard work. There is nobody in the reselling world. Now, I know there are some people that are going to argue this, and there's some exceptions, and there are some, I do know that. But no one in the reselling world, male, female, or otherwise, gets paid any more money for an item, generally speaking, because they are male or female or what have you. Now, the exceptions, of course, would be, like sometimes we see women, that have really nice rear ends, modeling jeans, and they always get crazy high dollars for their items. Yeah, that happens, but you guys get what I'm saying. If I put up a copy of Final Fantasy VII for sale for $20 and Star puts up the same copy for $20, generally speaking, we should get the same money. The amount of money we're being paid for these items is just simply based on conditions and included items and models and how well we do our job, right? When we move over to something like a women's national soccer team or a WNBA versus NBA or things of that nature, if a woman is tackling another woman and a man is tackling a man, they are doing the same job, right? They're both playing the game of football. They're both tackling. They're both taking hits. It's the same job, and that is what they should be paid the same for. It should be equal pay. They're doing. Now, the problem comes in when we talk about things like sports or commission-based. Remember, a lot of what these players get paid is commission-based or performance-based on sales. And so, for example, a Tom Brady might sell $100 million worth of jerseys, and he might have agreed to collect 10%, right? His contract may say he gets 10% of all merchandise sales. And so he's getting $10 million. A woman playing the same job sells $1 million worth of jerseys because the market for a women's football team isn't as big as the men's NFL. That's just factual. There isn't as many viewers for certain things. And so that woman is paid her same percentage, 10%, but it's only $100,000 because she only sold $1 million as opposed to Tom Brady's $100 million. And so her pay was not based on the fact that they're male or female or performance or who tackled who hardest or who can run faster or whatever, who's smarter or not. It's simply based on supply and demand for the merchandise sales. So part of these contracts has nothing to do with who you are, what you did, nothing. It's simply based on how much money can that industry bring in. So same principle applies to the MMA, to the UFC, right? So Conor McGregor might fight somebody and they might bring in $50 million for a pay-per-view. And there may be a female fight on the undercard, the lower card. And so they're both fights, the men and the women are beating the crap out of each other, punching each other, doing the same job. Except everybody bought the pay-per-view and paid $50 because they want to see Conor McGregor fight, not Amanda Nunes in some cases. Now, some people buy it because they love watching the women fight, let's not get wrong. But generally, the majority of the money came in because of them. If there was no Conor fight, there would be no $50 million and there'd be no money to pay anyone else. So that is kind of how that works. And so I can't really argue that because even though you're doing the same job, there are performance sales-based incentives that let's go into a market that we all understand, real estate. A real estate agent selling, let's say a $300,000 house, I don't know how much the commission is, 10 grand, right? A woman and a man both get a house in the same neighborhood, same exact house, same model, same price, same everything, and they go sell the house. If they can sell their houses, they're getting $10,000 because the house is what the house is worth. 300 grand, she gets 10,000. 300 grand, he gets his 10,000. They've done the same job with the same sales incentive, the same sales pitch, everything the same. That's just kind of how that works. But I didn't mean to get over into that topic. I just thought that me seeing this this comment come across my screen gave me, the ability to address three things. One, the pay that we just talked about. Two, the shitty comments we have to deal with as YouTubers, the crap we have to put up with. And three, to say that all of you that are watching this channel that are females, if this piece of garbage in my comment section right now doesn't inspire you even more to go out and get it. Now, guys, this video isn't for you, so I still want you guys to go out and do your thing and make your money and be ballers and do what you gotta do. But ladies, This kind of person right here makes me want you all to go to this video. I'm going to link this video where he or whoever this is left the comment, and go under there and blow his comment section up, letting this person know just how successful you are as a female business owner, what kind of sales you've done, what kind of successes, your ups, your positives. Blow it up and let them know exactly how wrong they are, that women are absolutely capable, and in some cases, a lot of cases, more capable than some of you guys out there because they bust their butts harder and do hard work, and how successful they can be no matter what kind of garbage is pushing it back in their face. So sorry that I had to put that out there. Sorry that comment came across my channel. I just wish I could delete it. I know a lot of you say I should have just deleted it and let it go, but you know what? Sometimes these people deserve to be called out. So I'll link this video below. Go check it out. Find the comment, scroll down and find the comment. You'll find it pretty easily. In fact, I'm gonna pin it to the top so it's real easy for you guys to find. I'll pin it to the top right now. And just let them know just how wrong they are. Now, just know I blocked them. So they can read it, but they're not gonna be able to respond. But that's okay, because as long as they can see everything, we know trolls like to read and they can't help it. So they'll get the notifications. All right, ladies, sorry, but you know what? I gotta call these people out. Have to do it. Make sure you like this video, thumbs up, make sure you share it. Ladies, go kill it. Keep destroying the reselling game, or whatever business you're in, whatever you decide to do. YouTubers, a lot of you are YouTubers. Love to see all of you guys out there. And I'm gonna go back to working with my female business partners, that one, Star, all of them. And we'll be successful no matter what. So thank you guys. We'll see you next time.